Okay, this is a highly unusual engine in many respects, the Cyldon 13.2. This one's just coming to the boil now, and I'm hoping it's going to play ball. Some of these wouldn't even work at all because of the timing set up on the rotative valve was just never right from day one. This one needs a mighty fire underneath it to get a good head of steam, and I find that some 3 long super wicks seem to work very well. I can feel some pressure in here, so we'll see if we can get this one running. You can see the rotating arm there, so when it's open like that, it's pushing the piston forward, and it's closed, it swings back and then open again. This one normally runs okay, but it takes a lot of coaxing to get it running. A little bit of a leak, I think, from that whistle. There you have it. It should speed up in a minute. When some of these are being restored, or they put a tapped screw on this instead of this pushed on sort of bush, and you're able to adjust the timing, and once they're actually set up correctly they'll run like a sewing machine. However, some of them were just not right, so by the time the piston's in its position to receive steam, this was either half open or half closed, so it was never getting the correct amount of steam. So that in theory some of them were absolutely unsteamable the day they left the factory. This one's not running brilliantly, but it is running after a fashion. Very prone to priming. I've given everything on this engine a very thorough going over, plenty of oil on the piston, make sure everything's tight, make sure the motion is oiled, make sure the safety valve and the whistle are as steam tight as I can get them.